Hola mamacitas, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about lashes. My favorite thing to talk about. I'm a total lash freak. If you know me well, you know it's like my favorite thing about makeup is big lashes, whether it's the falsies that I have on right now or it's just my own natural lashes. I've got this down to a T. Mis uñas. Is that how you say lashes? I don't think it. I think uñas is nails. See, I only speak Spanglish, like Selena's. And I always get asked, are those really your lashes? Do you have extensions? What is it? What mascara are you using? How do you get your lashes to be so long? So today I'm gonna talk about exactly that. I'm gonna tell you my secrets, what I've done, what's worked for me, my tips and tricks to help make your lashes appear longer and actually grow over time. I know how to do my lashes, like rain or shine. I've grown up in a family where all the women, their lashes were super long. Which leads me to point number one. I got long lashes from my mama. Growing up, watching my mom get ready and her lashes were always just so long. Show a pic. Mom, how did you get your lashes so long?
A lot of frijoles.
Oh, that's what it is?
Frijoles.
Good job. Looking at the light. Show your good angles. Yeah, and I eat a lot of frijoles and my lashes are not as long as my mom's. They're all hers, completely natural, not extensions. This is my mom. Know your lash DNA. If your mama's got long lashes, your daddy, your cousin, your brother, your tias, your sister, you're likely to have long lashes. Her natural real lashes touch her eyebrows just about. When I put falsies on, they're kind of as long as hers. Imagine being a little girl growing up with that, seeing that. I just have always seen super long lashes. Every little girl wants to look just like her mom, so I've just always had a fascination with lashes. My lashes are straight and they point down. So if I did not curl my lashes, you guys, in a bad mood all the time, like they're just down. Just because it's genetic that my mom and my nana have long lashes doesn't mean that I just rely on that. No, honey, I do my research. I make sure I get a good curl. And then number two, speaking of research, I am a mascara freak. As soon as I could start wearing makeup, I was on it. I've tried everything, bought everything. My mom uses Great Lash mascara, you know, the hot pink tube with the neon green. That's the one she's used probably since she could start wearing makeup. Whereas Great Lash mascara does not work for me. So not all mascara works the same for everyone. And I've tried them all, from the most expensive to the super cheapest. Better Than Sex, Voluminous by L'Oreal, Spider Effect by Maybelline, Facebook ads from Sephora, you name it, I've tried it. And I think that's why my lashes are so long, because I know which mascaras will work for me. I know which wands will work for me. For example, L'Oreal Voluminous. I only use the curved wand. The straight one doesn't do it. I know it's an amazing mascara, but not for me, it's not, unless I use this wand. Don't be discouraged if someone, or even if I recommend a mascara to you and it just doesn't do the same thing for you that it does for me or it does for someone else. A lot of people are writing that it's too clumpy for them or they hate the wand, and I totally get it. I hate Great Lash, but my mom's lashes are on point. So you have to do the research and find the mascara that your lashes just really vibe with. This wand, it works for my lashes. So point number two is that I have a relationship with my lashes. I know what they need. I know which angles to hit them at. I know what type of wand style that they work best with. So that's point number two. And then third, the last thing that I've really started implementing in the last, I wanna say maybe 5 years or so, is that I've actually really tried a lot of the lash growth serums. Latisse, Revita Lash, Grande Lash MD. I've tried this one. I don't even know what it's called, F.E.G. This is another Facebook ad I swiped up for. I test them all, and what I've come to find, it takes consistency. It's not gonna happen like the next morning or even in a week. It takes like 2 to 3 months for any lash growth serum to really start showing a noticeable difference in your lashes. Number one, I got it from my mama. Number two, I've done my research to find the mascaras that work best for me. If your lashes are short, give one of these serums a try. They work if you're consistent. Don't get discouraged or fed up if after a month they look absolutely the same. I promise you, once you hit that 2 to 3 month mark, all of a sudden, they're there. Bam. This is the oldest trick in the book. This is an extra step. My lashes are super straight and they point down if you want to look. So if I didn't curl my lashes, they would not look as long as they do. But for those of you who say you curl your lashes, but by the end of the day they are pointing straight down, this is an extra step. It's just a blow dryer. You're going to apply heat to your lashes. Think about it. Your lashes are hair, and you use heat to style your hair. If you're gonna, use a curling iron or a straightener, you're applying heat to get it to style. So if it works for your hair, of course it's gonna work for your lashes. And then you just test it right here because this is the sensitive part of your skin and it's super thin. And then you're just gonna go curl your lash and get as close to the lash line as possible, the lid. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so as you can see, that worked. It works. I mean, just look how much it opened my eyes. Next step is just to take one of your favorite mascaras. Today I'll use L'Oreal Voluminous. And that's it. To get that extra curl, all you need is a blow dryer and patience. And it actually really works. It holds the curl and they last all day. So even if your lashes are short, give this a try. So I hope this tip works for you. If you have any preguntas, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, let me know all the things. Thank you so much for watching. Besitos!